Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. So have you ever wondered which of the best free text-to-speech software is available today? In today's video, we'll take a look at Amazon Polly, also known as AWS Polly, one of the best free text-to-speech software that can guarantee YouTube monetization. Today's video will explain what Amazon Polly is, the benefits of using it, how it works, and the various use cases it has available. We will also compare it to other TTS software, so watch this video all the way through so you don't miss anything important. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community posts. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So, who exactly is Amazon Polly? Amazon Polly is a cloud service that turns text into natural-sounding speech. Amazon Polly can be used to create applications that increase engagement and accessibility. It supports multiple languages and comes with various lifelike voices, allowing you to create speech-enabled applications that work in multiple locations and use the best voice for your customers. You only pay for the text you synthesize with Amazon Polly. You can also cache and replay Amazon Polly's generated speech for free. Furthermore, Amazon Polly includes several neural text-to-speech (NTTS) voices that deliver groundbreaking improvements in speech quality via a new machine learning approach, providing customers with the most natural and human-like text-to-speech voices possible. NT's technology also supports a newscaster's speaking style tailored to the use cases of news narration. So there you have it, an overview of Amazon Polly. So now that we know what Amazon Polly is, let us move on to discuss some of the advantages of using Amazon Polly. The first point to make here is about quality. Amazon Polly incorporates new artificial neural networks, or neural TDs, and best-in-class standard TTS technology to synthesize superior natural speech with high pronunciation accuracy, including abbreviations, acronyms, expansions, date/time interpretations, and homograph disambiguation. The low latency is the second advantage of using Amazon Polly. Amazon Polly guarantees quick responses, making it a viable option for low-latency use cases like dialogue systems. The next point is that there is support for diverse languages and voices. Amazon Polly supports dozens of voice languages with male and female voice options for the majority of them. Currently, NTTS supports 3 British English voices and 8 American English voices. This number will rise as more neural voices are added to the system. Matthew and Jonah, US English voices, can also use the neural newscaster speaking style, similar to that of a professional news anchor. So the next advantage of Amazon Polly is its low cost. Because Amazon Polly is a pay-per-use service, there are no upfront costs. You can start small and grow your application as it grows. The cloud-based solution is the final advantage of using Amazon Polly. On-device TTS solutions necessitate substantial computing resources, most notably CPU power, RAM, and disk space. Higher development costs and higher power consumption on devices such as tablets, smartphones, and so on can result. In contrast, TTS conversion performed in the AWS cloud significantly reduces the number of local resources required. This allows for the best possible support of all available languages and voices. Furthermore, speech enhancements are immediately available to all end users and do not require additional device updates. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. So those are some of the advantages of using Amazon Polly. Let's take a look at how Amazon Polly works. Amazon Polly converts text into natural-sounding speech. You call one of the speech synthesis methods, supply the text to be synthesized, select one of the neural text-to-speech (NTDS) or standard text-to-speech (TTS) voices, and specify an audio output format. Amazon Polly then synthesizes the provided text into a high-quality speech audio stream. So to use Amazon Polly, you must first provide the input text. So in this case, you must give the text to be synthesized, and Amazon Polly will return an audio stream. You can provide input as plain text or in speech synthesis markup language, or SSML format. You can control various aspects of speech using the SSML format, including pronunciation, volume, pitch, and speech rate. The next point is about the available voices. As a result, Amazon Polly offers a diverse range of languages and voices, including a bilingual voice for both English and Hindi. For most languages, you can select between male and female voices. When you launch a speech synthesis task, you specify the voice ID, and Amazon Polly converts the text to speech using this voice. Polly on Amazon is not a translation service. The text and the synthesized speech are both in the same language. If the text is in a language other than the one designated for the voice, the numbers represented as digits are synthesized in the voiced language rather than the text. The final point to make here is about the output format. Amazon Polly can provide a synthesized speech in a variety of formats. You can choose the best audio format for your needs. For example, you could request speech in MP3 format for consumption by web and mobile applications or PCM output by AWS, IoT devices, and telephony solutions. That is how Amazon Polly operates. Moving on, we'll go over some of the applications of Amazon Polly. The first application is content creation. Audio can be used to supplement written or visual communication. By voicing your content, you can provide an alternative way for your audience to consume information while meeting the needs of a larger pool of readers. Amazon Polly can generate speech in dozens of languages, making it simple to incorporate speech into applications with a global audience, such as RSS feeds, websites, or videos. Let me give you an example. Let's pretend you have a blog. You have a WordPress blog, however, you would like to convert your blog content to YouTube videos. You've been watching Debt Busters, so you know all about using Pictory to convert your blog into videos in under 5 minutes. You're just looking for a cost-effective text-to-speech solution that doesn't sound like it escaped from the 1980s. You can try Pictory for free using my link in the description. All you need to do here is provide the text you have written in your WordPress blog to Amazon Polly so it can be converted into an audio file. Once that audio file has been converted, you can use it on your YouTube channel and provide it to your audience. As a result, you can post a lot of content that is available in video with a human-sounding voiceover. Now that you understand what Amazon Polly is and how it works, let's look at the pricing of this software. Amazon Polly's standard voices are priced at $4 per 1 million characters for speech or speech marks requests. Amazon Polly's neural voices cost $16 per 1 million characters of speech or speech marks. To put that into context, my script has approximately 2,100 words and 10,500 characters. Amazon Polly's standard voice would cost me 4.2 cents for the script. Amazon Polly's neural voices would cost me 16.8 cents for this script. Let's take a look at Amazon Polly's pros and cons, beginning with the benefits. Amazon Polly makes truly natural text-to-speech conversion available and usable. The variety of ages and personalities makes it simple to create voiceovers requiring more than one character. A critical feature for the busy creator is that you don't have to use your speakers to create or download sound files. If you need 20 single words hammered out for an educational game you're working on, you can type, download, delete, and repeat without using headphones or disturbing those around you. This one feature alone will save you a lot of time and trouble. The disadvantage is that learning to customize output using SSNL codes entirely takes time. However, for the majority of applications, no additional customization is required. And if you do need it, a helpful tutorial is just a click away. Let's take a look at some other Amazon Polly alternatives. If you want a text-to-speech option that sounds natural, you need a program with a strong API that is far superior to the traditional chatbots you use. As a result, you may want to automate the process using some of the best AI voices on the market. Even if you enjoy Amazon Polly for some audiobooks, you may be dissatisfied with the pricing. You might also be tired of the program's choppy nature. If you need an alternative that will work well for you, Descript may be the best option. Descript is, without a doubt, the best program to use as an alternative to Amazon Polly. This program has the best machine learning on the market, and you can set up a custom voice that allows you to control the reading speed, volume, and pitch in real time. You can try Descript for free using my link in the description. It is also compatible with various platforms, including Microsoft Windows, Apple's Mac OS, Android, and iOS. You can use it on your iPhone, iPad, and other media. Because of its SSNL capabilities, Descript text-to-speech software is the best alternative to Amazon Polly. It can play various audio files, including MP3 and WAV files, as well as PDF and EPUB files. It can convert any text your transcription process produces into unique, crystal-clear, high-quality voices you can hear from across the room. In addition to natural-sounding speech, this program's deep learning technologies can help you increase your productivity. For example, you might be interested in the text highlighting feature, which can help you expand your vocabulary. As a result, Descript is ideal for e-learning. It is also an excellent program for people looking for natural-sounding voices for YouTube. Because of these factors, the customer experience is exceptional, Let us now compare the two pieces of software. One significant difference between the two software is that the quality of the voices on Descript is simply higher. There are numerous premium voices available to help you personalize your listening experience. You can tweak the reading speech, pitch, volume, and other settings to ensure that your listening experience is flawless. Even though Amazon Polly gives you access to various voices, they are all fairly generic. This means that your listening experience will be less enjoyable than with Descript. What are your thoughts on Amazon Polly? Will you give this software a shot? Please leave a comment below. Let's get together. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you've enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Now you know what TTS software may be the best to use to make your faceless cash cow videos. But that doesn't help if you want to know how to use Morning Fame to optimize your videos. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know what this unusual SEO tool can do for your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.